You need to hear this if you're a busy bee. Ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day? Let's change that starting now. Welcome to our lightning-fast tutorial series where we supercharge your day in just 60 seconds. Today, we're diving into quick tips that will not only save you time, but also add a spark to your daily grind. First up, master the art of multitasking effectively. Not all multitasking is productive, so we'll show you the right way to juggle tasks without dropping the ball. Next, we're talking morning rituals. Adding a 5-minute meditation or a quick workout session can energize your entire day. And don't forget, organizing your workspace can drastically cut down the time you spend searching for things. Let's keep it tidy. Last but not least, automate what you can. From bill payments to email sorting, let technology do the heavy lifting. There you have it, simple tweaks to elevate your routine. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more quick tips and check out our links below for some exclusive deals. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, every second counts.